In this video, we will show you how to assemble your 80-volt, 20-inch fat tire e-bike. Your e-bike came with a toolkit that includes all the tools you'll need. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Inside, there is a small box. Remove the box and any loose packing material. Remove the bike from the box. Cut the ties and remove the remaining packing material. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have assembled and operated the e-bike and confirmed it works properly. Inside the small box, you will find 2 pedals and a toolkit. The keys for the battery compartment are attached to the handlebars. You may remove them now. Charging the batteries. GREENWORKS batteries are not shipped fully charged, so we recommend charging them completely before use to get the maximum runtime out of your e-bike. This way, by the time you're finished assembling your e-bike, you'll have a fully charged battery ready to go. Charge the battery by aligning its grooves with the ridges in the charger and sliding it into place. The charging light and cooling fan will come on to indicate it's charging. The light will turn green when it's fully charged. GREENWORKS batteries come with capacity indicator lights. Installing the handlebar. Let's assemble your e-bike. With the bike positioned upright and resting on the forks, loosen the 3 screws on the handlebar stem using a 5mm Allen wrench on the top screw and a 4mm Allen wrench for the 2 on the side. Rotate the handlebar stem 180 degrees until it points forward. Retighten the 3 screws. Remove the 4 screws holding the stem cover in place using a 4mm Allen wrench. Remove the stem cover. Position the handlebar onto the stem, making sure it is centered and perpendicular to the bike frame. Be careful not to twist or damage the cables between the handlebars and the frame. Hold the stem cover tightly against the handlebar and reinstall the 4 screws to tighten it securely. Tighten the screws in a crisscross pattern, rather than sequentially, to ensure the handlebar is secure and well balanced on the stem. The LCD screen mount can remain loose. Installing the front wheel. Flip the bike upside down so it's resting on the seat and handlebars. Remove the factory-supplied bolt bracing the fork using a 14mm wrench. Remove the plastic spacer from the brake assembly. Remove the pre-installed washers and nuts from the wheel hub axle and set them aside. Position the front wheel between the front forks. Ensure that the front wheel is fully inserted into the slot of the front fork and check that the disc brake fits into the brake caliper. Reinstall the washer and nut onto the axle. Tighten securely using a 15mm wrench. Repeat on the opposite side. Flip the bike over and adjust the LCD screen to the proper position. Tighten the 2 screws on the screen mount using a 2.5mm Allen wrench. Next, connect the display screen power cable. Now that the wheel is on, confirm that the handlebars are perpendicular to the frame and adjust the bar stem if necessary. Installing the pedals. The pedals are labeled R and L. Screw the pedals onto the crank arms and tighten using a 15mm wrench. left pedal is reverse threaded and must be tightened counterclockwise. And that's it. To learn more about this product, including operation instructions and maintenance, visit our YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS e-bike will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.